Hi, I'm Brianna, Flexiv's Business Development Manager. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour of our new HQ. For the first time, we'll be opening our doors to show behind the scenes at Flexiv. Hopefully, we'll take a little bit of the mystery away from how we make our adaptive robots. Follow me. We opened in 2016 and have since expanded to Germany, China, and Singapore. We started with a simple idea: build adaptive robots that not only think, but feel. This is where our business teams and robotic application engineers work. Let's see what they're doing. Hi, Gavin and Mark. Can you tell me what you both are working on?
Oh, hi, Brianna. Yes, of course. I am a robotic application manager, and today with Mark, we are testing the car dashboard assembly demo. We have two Rise-on robots, and they're going to be working together. So when it runs, notice how one robot is going to hold the part in place, and the other robot is going to flex and bend the plastic part into position.
In fact, I'm new here at Flexiv, and I'm learning the programming and practicing by running all these demos and learning.
Oh, Howard, our head of business, is also here. Hi, Howard. How are you enjoying the new office?
Oh, this is great, Brianna. First of all, this is a much larger building. Our business and application engineering team occupy the first floor, while our R&D team is on the second floor. What's best is we can now handle a much larger and complex project from our key account. All of this combined allow us to provide better support to our customers that rely on force control robot to solve their application.
So this is the first floor of our office. Now my coworker Garrett will show you what's on the second floor.
Hey guys, I'm Garrett. I'm also a business development manager here at Flexiv, and if you follow me upstairs, I'll show you guys the R&D office. And this here is the break room, which is home to one of the most important pieces of equipment here at Flexiv, the coffee machine. Oh, hey Sheehan.
Hey, hello.
Hey, so Sheehan, as co-founder of the company, how do you like the new office?
Well, it reminds me of the time when we started Flex in a very small room. It's hard to imagine we're going so fast. Of course, thanks to everyone's effort and also customers' trust. But I can tell you, our goals never changes. We always want to provide the most advanced human-inspired technology to the customer.
This is the area of our R&D team where we do cutting-edge technology and product development. Hey, Hal. Hey, how's it going? Hey, can you give us a quick introduction to the camera?
Sure. My name's Hal. Welcome to Flexiv. Here, I lead the hardware product development.
Excellent. I think some of our followers are interested to hear more about how you design and develop Flexiv's robots.
Yeah, definitely. So it starts with following up with the academia, the cutting edge ideas and concepts. We bring them into the company and we do some prototyping. When we see everything is mature, we bring them into production from small scale to all the way to mass production. And that's not finished yet because we care about our customers. We do ongoing reliability studies and failure analysis all the way through with the entire product lifecycle.
Oh, I just got another co-founder. Hey, Seyoung.
Hi.
Hey, we're just doing an office tour right now.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, you want to tell us a little about what we're doing?
Sure. So Flexiv is all about building robots that augment human work, taking on tasks that are challenging and repetitive, allowing humans to do higher level work, focusing their creativity on tasks that matters. Our technical focus here at Flexiv is twofold: to embed our robots with adaptive force control and AI capabilities, and opening up user-friendly interfaces for developers and users. This allows them to build powerful solutions that maximizes business value.
As you can see, everything we do here at Flexiv is about building a better future, one where robots can make a real positive impact. Whether it's assisting surgery or physical AI, we're here to build what's next.
If you'd like to join our team, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me today on our office tour.